Hey friends, if the option to pause updates is grayed out on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult to resolve it. All you need to do is search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Go to the path HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows and Windows Update. Now in the right pane you will notice a debug 32-bit entry named set disable pause UX. Obviously it should be 0 to what do we say, remove the setting, but just right click on it and delete it and click on yes and restart your computer. That's all you need to do. Don't go into the complexity of changing the value data. This will fix your problem. Yeah, I mean, you will have to restart the computer still. But after that, it will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.